Hello dear students of 6th grade. Today I'll go through the preparatory assignment. This is about the 6th chapter. The name of the chapter is the later Vedic period. So let us go through the back exercises first. Firstly, we will discuss about the fill-ups. Later Vedic period lasted from 1000 BCE to 600 BCE. Second is a person's life was divided into 4 ashramas. Third one is in the Vedic age, children received educations in a Gurukul. In the later Vedic period, father was considered the head of the family. Fifth one is the king performed the ritual and sacrifices. Second part is name the following. The lowest social group in the Varna is Shudras. The horse sacrifice ritual important for establishing the king's authority, that's the Ashwamedha. Pottery style common in Vedic age, that is the painted grey ware. An important trade center in later Vedic period is Hastinapur. Fifth one is the stage of renunciation of all the comforts of life is Sannyas Ashrama. Part C is about the choose the correct answers. In dash ashrama, a person lead a life of householder. Part D is about the question answer. I have deducted some lines from these questions, so please be careful while reading these questions. The first one is name the 2 yajnas performed by the kings during the later Vedic period. कौन सी है ये? The 2 yajna performed by the king during the later Vedic periods were Rajaswa and Ashwamedha. Next question is list the 4 main varnas of society and their occupation. कौन से 4 वर्ण हैं और उनके क्या occupations हैं? The 4 main varnas were Brahmanas, Brahman थे, or the priest class. Brahman were known as the priest class of that time. Second one is Kshatriya or the ruling and warrior class. वैश्या और द ट्रेडर्स. ठीक है, आगे आ जाता है शूद्रा और द लोएस्ट क्लास. You can see I have deducted these lines, so you don't need to be expand these sentences. Which were the earlier kingdoms built by the Aryan? The earliest kingdom built by the Aryans were Kuru, Panchala, Koshala, Meghdha and Kashi. The next question is about name some of the occupations practiced widely during the later Vedic period. These are the agriculture, spinning, weaving, carpentry, hunting, metalwork and pottery were the occupations practiced widely during the later Vedic periods. Next question is list the 3 Vedas composed during the later Vedic period. कौन से हैं? Samveda, Yajurveda and Atharvaveda. So let's start with the part E. Answer the following questions in detail. So these are the detailed questions and be careful about these questions. You don't need to be expand these questions. Okay, 2 to 4 lines are sufficient. What changes do you see in the positions of the king from the early Vedic to the later Vedic age? While in the early Vedic period जो king की position है वो कैसी थी? Kings ruled over small tribes or clans. In the later Vedic period these tribes expanded in the form of large kingdom. पहले वो छोटी छोटी tribes के ऊपर राज करते थे. After that these tribes are expanded, तो वो है जो एक kingdom के रूप में expand हो गई और उसका जो राजा ruler था. The earliest Aryan kingdom were Kuru, Panchala, Koshala, Meghdha and Kashi. The formation of large kingdom increased the power of the chief or king. जो यहाँ तक ही ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपने याद करना है. ठीक है. एक्सप्लेन ईच स्टेज ऑफ द 4 आश्रमा. अब 4 आश्रम कौन से हैं? फर्स्ट तो है ब्रह्मचार्य आश्रमा, सेकंड है गृहस्था आश्रमा, थर्ड वन इज वनस्प्रथा आश्रमा एंड फोर्थ वन इज द संन्यासा आश्रमा. सो स्टूडेंट्स आपने इनको ये नहीं देखना है कि दीज आर क्वाइट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. अब इनको थ्रू जो 3 लाइन्स में आपने एक्सपेंड करना है. फर्स्ट वन इज ब्रह्मचार्य आश्रमा और स्टूडेंट लाइफ वॉज फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ अ मैंस लाइफ. अब इसमें क्या था, जो when the जो भी बच्चा होता था that was about the age of 8 to 7 years of old, तो he goes to the ashrama, sent to the gurukul for his education. ठीक है, from the guru or a teacher in a gurukul. Next one is grihastha ashrama or a life as a householder is a stage where the man get married and perform his duties as a son, husband and father. ठीक है, यहाँ तक है ये. सी है वनस्प्रथा आश्रमा और द लाइफ एज अ hermit is the stage where the man after completing his worldly duties hands the household responsibility to his successor and leave the worldly life. यहाँ तक है आपने करना. Next is sannyasa ashrama or a life as a sadhu is the last where the man renounces all the comfort of life. ठीक है, इसके बाद वह जो अपनी लाइफ का जो लास्ट पार्ट होता है वो आश्रम में एज ए मॉन्क या साधु बन के ही वो बिताते थे. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट द डिस्क्राइब द इकोनॉमिक लाइफ ऑफ द आर्यंस. इकोनॉमिक लाइफ ऑफ द आर्यंस इन द लेटर वैदिक एज हैड मेड ग्रेट इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस. इस टाइम में जो है इकोनॉमिकली उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोग्रेस की थी. उनका ऑक्यूपेशन क्या था? एग्रीकल्चर बिकेम द प्राइमरी ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द पीपल. अपार्ट फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर पीपल वर ऑल्सो एंगेज्ड इन स्पिनिंग, वीविंग, कारपेंट्री, हंटिंग, मेटल वर्क एंड पॉटरी. So I hope you understand this thoroughly because so many questions are there we are repeating in our expanded questions. Okay. Next one is trade. Both internal and foreign trade progress. Currency started being used. आगे है pottery. The later Vedic period people were acquainted with 4 types of pottery: black and red ware, black slipped ware, painted grey ware, red ware. Next is how did caste system change in the later Vedic age? The occupational divisions of society of the early Vedic period became more rigid and hereditary in the later Vedic period. Social classes were known as the caste of Varna, decided by birth and not by occupation. जैसे कि जो है जाति के आधार पे जो जिस जाति में जन्म लेता था वो उसी ही डिसाइड में रहता था. उसको दे हैव नो राइट टू चेंज देयर वर्नाज. ओके, एंड नॉट बाय ऑक्यूपेशन, चाहे उनका कोई भी पेशा है. द 4 मेन वर्नाज वर ब्राह्मणा, प्रीस्ट, हमने पहले भी ये पढ़ा है, सो बी केयरफुल. ओके, द क्षत्रिय, द रूलिंग एंड वेरियर क्लास, वैश्यास, द ट्रेडर, मर्चेंट, एंड द शूद्रा, द लोएस्ट क्लास, एंगेज इन मैनुअल वर्क. The caste system became so rigid on that time and the intercaste marriage were strictly prohibited. Next question is describe the religious belief of people in the later Vedic period. In the later Vedic period, Brahma the creator, Vishnu the preserver, the Shiva the destroyer gained prominence over early Vedic deities such as Varun, Indra and Agni. ठीक है, यहाँ तक ही आपने इसको याद करना है. नेक्स्ट इज़ अबाउट इन विच आश्रमा डिड अ पर्सन एक्वायर एजुकेशन. कौन से आश्रम में वो एजुकेशन लेते थे? बॉयज़ एज यंग एज 7 to 8 years वर सेंट टू द गुरुकुल वेयर दे लिव्ड विद देयर गुरु टिल द एज ऑफ 25 एंड एक्वायर्ड एजुकेशन. Which education system was prevalent during the Vedic period? The Gurukul system of education was prevalent during the Vedic period. What did the Shishya do after their education was over? After their education was over, the Shishya paid the Guru a Dikshana or the fees. ठीक है? So this is the chapter about the later Vedic period and I have give you information detailed. Okay, so I hope you understand about this chapter and well prepared for your exam. Till then, thank you and good luck for your exam.